Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Nordic Market News. It is Friday the 16th of March and we are recording in Stockholm at the studio of news agency Direkt on behalf of Infront Finance. Let's take a look at how the markets have performed this week as of 12 o'clock today. With a few hours left of trading on Friday, the week seems to end on a negative note for all the major Nordic indices, ranging from minus 0.1% through to minus 1.5%. The year-to-date figures are floating just above and below the 0% mark, with the OMX C20 at minus 3% and the OMX 25 still holding on at a positive 4.7%. On Monday, the tobacco company Swedish Match was issued a strong buy recommendation by Handelsbanken. The target price was set at 450 krona, which is more than a 20% raise from the previous target. The stock climbed about 1.5% on an otherwise calm Swedish stock market. On Tuesday, Norwegian defence contractor Kongsberg Gruppen has signed a letter of intent to supply equipment for military vehicles in Qatar worth up to 15 billion Norwegian crowns. It is reportedly the company's largest deal to date, and the stock rose 7%. Kongsberg was not alone in deal signing on Tuesday. Norwegian Hidden Solutions signed an agreement with Fujitsu and surged more than 10%. On Wednesday, Danish jewellery maker Pandora closed 1.5% lower and has been pressured as one of its larger resellers, Signet Jewelers, reported below expectations for their fourth quarter. Finland stole the show on Thursday as the stocks of Cargotec and Konecranes soared 4% and 3% respectively. Both companies have previously suffered under the talks of trade tariffs of late. The Central Bank of Norway decided to keep rates unchanged at 0.5%. The decision was anticipated by the market, but the forward guidance was on the hawkish side as they raised the likelihood for a rate hike in the near future. On Friday, Swedish clothing retailer MQ plunged more than 15% in early trading after reporting way below expectations for their most recent quarter. MQ is only one of the latest in the sector to suffer from increased e-commerce in the industry, and the company is now considering a sharp reduction in retail stores. Both H&M and Clas Ohlson are examples of companies that have fallen behind in e-commerce as of late. So that's all for today. Thanks for listening. Wishing you all a fantastic weekend and see you again next Friday.